Hi everyone, I'm Xenia from Threads. Today I'm going to be showing you some quick and easy ways you can repurpose and reuse your tights to give them a second life. So let's get started. Whether it's okay. All right, we're gonna be here all day. Something you can do with your old tights is to use it to make a really great updo. The tools you need are some old tights, hairbrush, bobby pin, some good hairspray, hair elastic, and just some scissors. So this is my friend JC. She's gonna be our hair model today. And since JC has darker black, brown hair, we're gonna use a pair of black tights to do this. If your hair is blonde or red or something lighter, you can use a pair of nude tights. So we really recommend doing this with a pair of tights that has like a really good waistband, like thick waistband or good control chop. So here I'm holding a pair of opaque tights. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold up the tights like this and you're gonna take a chunk out of here. So it's like the upper thigh part that you really want. And then I want a section that's maybe about like 3 inches thick. So now I have this little piece. I'm gonna set these parts aside. I can reuse these later. So yeah, let's get started. So there are really a lot of ways you can use this. It's super elastic and will really hold up. So if you're just on the go and not really looking to do anything fancy, this can be used as a scrunchie. So show you on JC here. Just put all her hair back and you tie it like you would with any other sort of scrunchie. The best part is that it's washable. You can toss it in the laundry if you're gonna work out in it. Yeah, and there you go. This is just a very quick and easy hairstyle that looks a little bit fancier than a ponytail, but maybe takes just one more step. So I'm gonna do a very low, loose ponytail on her. I'm gonna bring down the low ponytail a little bit, just like that. And then I'm gonna make a little hole at the nape of the neck, just above where the tie is. So just like that. And you're gonna take the bottom of the ponytail and thread it through. Once you thread it through, you can fix the tie and kind of make it a little bit even. You can choose how voluminous you make the sides, but there you are. So next we're gonna do a low bun on Cassandra. And since she has blonde hair, we're gonna use some of the ivory tights. So we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna cut off a piece of the thigh. Now her hair isn't as thick, so the piece is gonna be a little bit thinner than the 3-inch piece that we cut for JC. Right, so here we are. It's a very thin piece, but just as elastic. And let's get started. When I make a low bun, what I like to do is I like to take kind of 2 pieces at the front that we will use later at the very end. So what I'll do for now is I'll just take these pieces out and put them in the front. So now that I have those 2 pieces at the front, I'm gonna just take the rest of her hair and give it a twist all the way down and kind of wrap it like that. And then I'm gonna just take this little piece that I cut off and use it as the elastic. So that's the base of what we're gonna work with. It's okay if there's little pieces sticking out because we're gonna be covering them with our bobby pins later. So now that we've have everything pretty pinned in, I'm gonna just hairspray it really quickly. You really don't need a lot just because of the elastic is it's very strong. And now we're gonna work with these pieces. So these are really great if you wanna hide any sort of bobby pins or any extra elastics you need. So we're just gonna bring it back And we're gonna just loop it around here. I'm gonna do the same with this piece on the side. Great, so there you have it. A very easy way to make a simple but voluminous bun. Cool. Am I a raptor?
Yeah, you.
So another really great way to use your old tights in your everyday routine is to make it into a headband to hold your hair back when you're washing your face. So all you need for this is a pair of tights. We're gonna be using the waistband part. So I just have a piece that is left over from all the other videos we've been doing. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take scissors and you're just gonna trim off the top piece here. So it should be pretty, maybe 1 or 2 inches thick. So this is just from a pair of our opaque tights. So this is really great because you can just toss it in the wash when it gets dirty. You can use it over and over again. So I just cut off the waistband and we have a headband. So Ivy's gonna put this headband on her to hold her hair back when she washes her face. So there you have it, a very quick and easy way to reuse your old tights. It's so easy to give them a second life and to incorporate them into your everyday regular bathroom routine. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching. We hope you found everything to be really helpful. If you're doing this at home, we'd love to see photos and videos, so please tag us. And if you have any other ideas of ways we could reuse old tights, please let us know in the comments. If you're ever in need of new tights, check us out at yourthreads.co. Thanks so much and have a great day.